TPM Pro Tuned OEE is a complete solution to increase the productivity of industrial companies. It is within the category of manufacturing execution system, or also called manufacturing operation management system. It consists of hardware to gather data taken electronically from the production lines and a set of software applications to acquire and manage this data and other applications that allow visualization of the whole factory in real time, and finally analyze historian to show results in many different ways. To gather data from the processes, wireless data acquisition devices are used to eliminate the need of expensive wiring and do not require the use of PLCs, avoiding having to deal with different manufacturers and different models, and even more expensive programming them. This way, our data acquisition does not interfere with the production line control, and therefore there is no risk of losing the supplier's guarantee of the production machines. Our devices only require a sensor to indicate a part or a set of parts already produced. With this electronical signal, it is enough to count the produced units and to determine when the production line is running or if it has stopped. Our wireless data collectors can also handle four-color tower lights to indicate the operational status of the line, such as running, idle, stopped, on setup, and other configurable states. The TPM Workstation software application, like the rest of the suites, runs under web browser, so it can be used on any device that runs Chrome, such as smartphones, laptops, panels, PCs, etc. TPM Workstation is used by the production line operators for two reasons. First of all, to know what they should produce and how they should produce it, and on the other hand, to inform the system about the reasons of losses that can occur during the manufacturing process. The way to enter stoppage reasons is extremely innate, and the screens are prepared with big buttons to be used with touch screens. Likewise, TPM Workstation is capable of showing operators the operational status of their lines with mimic icons of the tower lights and the most relevant key performance index for its control. TPM App is a software application that can present mimics of the production lines on a layout or over a photograph. It indicates the operational status of the lines in real time and the OEE of each of the processes in a graphical way that is very easy to understand, indicating availability, performance, and quality in semicircular donut chart. KPI Monitor is an application designed to display the main management indexes on a large TV or on a small smartphone. It is a very powerful tool for both management and the operators themselves at the shop floor. The KPIs are customized according to the needs of each client. To display them dynamically, the screens change at regular intervals, also configurable. It is also designed to support graphics and free tests that can be important to operators, as well as any information that the Human Resources Department considers important to inform the staff, such as number of days elapsed without labor accidents, date of events, any changes in plant, etc. Database Manager is a software application that manages and records an SQL Server database. TPM Pro Tuned OEE can work with production plants at different sites in a single database. System security is based on the concept of different sites, sectors, corporate hierarchies, and roles, all protected by passwords. TPM Analyst provides historical analysis with graphs, tables, and different types of reports. Selecting the data allows you to filter by line, shift, operator, work order, and other related fields. Reports and graphics are configured according to the needs and preferences of each user and can be exported to Excel to comply with the reporting format of the company. Here you can see graphs as quantities versus time, OEE with their availability, performance, and quality factors. TPM Analyst provides a loss tree, multi-level Pareto type, which shows in an orderly manner the main reasons for the losses, either in time, percentages, or in dollars. TPM Pro Tuned OEE is versatile and allows having bidirectional interfaces with other systems, such as ERP, CMMS, EAM, APS, avoiding duplication of data in more than one system and sharing valuable management information. Thus, there are interfaces for SAP, BPCS, JD Edwards, and several others. TPM Pro Tuned OEE is sold on-premise in packages according to the number of licenses. Additionally, our company offers an annual maintenance agreement that allows us to always keep updated versions of this software, unlimited technical support, creation of new reports or graphics at the customer's request, and a warranty on hardware components. Our staff has years of experience in the implementation of this system in the pharmaceutical, food and beverage industry and others. Not only do our professionals know about OEE manufacturing and measurements, but they are very good at listening to other customers' needs and suggesting improvements. We deeply believe that TPM Pro is maximum OEE. Thank you for your time. It will be a pleasure to answer any question you may have. Goodbye.